Checks look old school, but one small mistake can cost real money or time. I'll walk you through writing one the safe way. Here's what you need to know. A check isn't a note, it's a live instruction that moves real money from your account. That's why small mistakes can trigger payment delays or even a return check. If you don't have enough funds, you can get hit with fees from your bank and the payee. And if you leave gaps or sloppy writing, altered checks can enable fraud. The good news is you can still dispute problems if you keep records. Start by knowing the key fields before you write anything. To write a check cleanly, treat it like a form you're trying to make uneditable. Put today's date in clearly because dates affect when a bank will process it. Double check the payee name, since banks and businesses may reject a mismatch. Write the amount in numbers and start at the left edge so no one can add digits. Use dark ink and print because light ink can scan poorly. And avoid post-dating since many checks still clear as soon as they're deposited. The amount line is where most check problems start, so make it airtight. Write the amount in words, then add and XX100 for the cents, like and 25,100. Fill any empty space with a line so nothing can be added later. Make sure the words and numbers match because banks often rely on the written words if there's a conflict. Use the memo line to track what it was for, especially for rent or contractor. Then sign exactly on the signature line the way your bank expects. After you write the check, the job isn't done. You still need to control proof and exposure. Log the check details in your register or app because that's how you spot errors later. If you're receiving a check, use a restrictive endorsement like "for deposit only," which helps limit misuse if it's lost. When you hand it off, get a receipt, and if you mail it, use tracking. Protect account numbers by storing checks securely and never leaving them out. Then watch your account until it clears so you can react fast if something looks wrong. Finally, know the common edge cases because banks have rules that surprise people. If you're voiding a check, write void boldly so it can't be cashed. If you make a mistake, don't scribble and fix it. Write a new check because messy edits can trigger rejection. If the written words in the numeric box disagree, the words usually win. Post-dated checks often clear anyway, so don't rely on that for timing. Many banks treat checks older than about 6 months as stale dated, and stop payments usually cost a fee and can expire, so you may need to renew them. If the numbers and words don't match on a check, banks commonly follow the written words, so the way you write that line matters. And if you're comparing gold dealers or gold IRA providers, the Smart Investor Gold Investing Agent shows your best fit options and the real dollar cost differences in about 3 minutes. Links in the description.